in the matter of People versus Joshua Lanto. Mr. Lanto, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, Counselor, you want to put your appearance on record?
Looks like Mr. Cooch left the room, Judge.
Is he anywhere to be seen?
What? This is what he's out. Yeah, he came out and went back in.
Okay. Mr. Greco, it's been indicated to me that somebody wants a 30-day adjournment on Mr. Lanto's case for discovery. Is that right?
I wasn't, that's fine with me, Judge, if that's what the request is.
Well, quick objection. The request was, why don't we just drop this right now?
Okay, Mr. Lanto, you understand that you're the one requesting that you be given 30 days to get discovery.
All right, guys, buckle up. Today we're diving into a courtroom moment so wild, it needs no exaggeration. This is where we meet Broken System Broken Tooth, a self-proclaimed legal expert who thinks CPS can snatch a 20-year-old adult. This fiery intro isn't just personal, it's the opening jab in a case full of sovereign lunacy, bad takes, and chaotic courtroom tension. You'll know right away, this isn't your average Zoom hearing.
Okay,
you want a trial today? You want a trial today?
Well, I mean, I'd even be willing to, sign a guilty plea today if the court can just produce the factual evidence of jurisdiction. It should be in my file somewhere. I was asking for the same thing up in the Clarkston courthouse, and they send me to the Oakland County Jail.
Mr. Lanto, I'm not going to produce anything. I don't have to. I'm the judge. And as far as I know, the prosecutor can only produce what he wants to produce to convict. So we're not doing that. Your attorney's asked for 30 days.
Here's where it starts unraveling. Our defendant tries to argue his way out of a basic adjournment, interrupting, objecting, and demanding factual jurisdiction. The judge tries to maintain order while this guy casually suggests pleading guilty, if the court proves it even has authority. This isn't legal discourse, it's derailed logic with a side of conspiracy. Tooth fairy jokes and legal nonsense? We're just getting started.
Has to say, but first, if they could, the very first thing out of there, they could send the factual evidence of jurisdiction. That would be great. It should be a one-page document. If the prosecutor filed this, fantastic.
Mr. Lanto, you're talking crazy. I would suggest that you listen to your attorney. Okay? I'm going to adjourn this matter on his motion for 30 days.
Did you just say? Can you?
I'm going to send this to the assignment clerk, Mr. Lanto. You're not listening.
Now the judge flips the script. Tired of the babbling, he calls it straight. You like to talk, but don't listen. The hearing's being pushed 30 days whether the defendant likes it or not. And as the court shows patience, our guy spins deeper into absurdity, asking the same questions he's asked in other courts, expecting a different answer. Einstein called that insanity. This judge just calls it talking crazy.
I'm going to adjourn your case for 30 days. I'm going to send the matter down to the assignment clerk. She'll send out a notice. Hopefully your attorney will have the discovery that he wants by then, and we can handle your case. Okay?
Well, have you kind of calmed down a little bit?
What did he say? No. You're all set.
It seems like you were getting angry. It seems like you were getting angry.
No, Mr. Lanto, you can leave the meeting. We'll see you in 30 days or so. Clerk will send you a notice.
Well, I just want the record to show I've asked these same questions in several courts and nobody is.
This is where the judge drops the hammer. No more virtual games. Next time, it's in person. The defendant panics, claiming he'd be in danger if he shows up. The judge calmly offers a solution. He'll assign a police officer to watch over him. You can hear the fear shift in real time. All that courtroom confidence evaporates when real accountability knocks. This moment. That's what you call reality setting in.
That's the first time somebody said I've been anything but reasonable in a courtroom.
Huh, that's amazing.
Huh, right.
You're talking like you know all about the law, and it doesn't make any sense to me.
Well, then let me ask a few questions for clarification.
You don't need to ask any questions. We'll deal with it in 30 days, Mr. Lanto.
Wait, we can't ask simple logical questions today?
Ask your attorney when you see him.
Like I said, I'd be willing to sign the guilty plea and just, be done with this if I just see the factual evidence of jurisdiction, number one. And then
That's why
number
we're
two.
asking for discovery.
Okay, and then the proof of jurisdiction is going to be in there? Is that, I'm asking a simple logical question. It's either yes or no. The proof is going to be in there or not. It's very simple. It's very logical, actually.
Well, let's see.
Mr. Lanto, I think maybe you ought to come into court in person next time, and your attorney will be here in person, and we can talk about it. So when you get that letter,
Well,
can I put on there that he's in person? I'm going to indicate to the assignment clerk that I want you here in person. You know where the courthouse is?
I feel like
Exactly.
I'd be in danger if I came there. I'd be in danger. That's the
Chris,
scariest
will
thing I
you
could
watch
ever
over
hear.
him when he comes?
Absolutely.
That is the scariest thing I could ever hear. And that's coming from a very reasonable person.
We close with a meltdown. The defendant keeps spinning, misquoting the judge, insisting on answers that don't exist. The judge isn't having it. One last time, he lays it out clean. You're still talking crazy. We'll see you in 30 days. This is where the chaos finally gets shut down. And just like that, it's over. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.
Okay, we'll see you in person in about 30 days, whatever date the assignment clerk gives you. And you come into court and we'll take care of business, okay?
So what does it mean to take care of business and I got to come in person and you're going to assign a police officer to me? And then you said I'm talking crazy.
No, you got it.
Did I just recall what was said on the record? Did I just
Then I said, I'm going to adjourn it for 30 days. And then I said, because you're worried about it, that I'd have an officer watch over you while you're in court. We'll see you in 30 days.